Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see exercise related to the area of a circle. We are going to see the exercise of area of a circle. So let's start. Here first question is find area of each circle. First given that radius 14 centimeter and take the value of pi 22 upon 7. So we know that area is equal to pi r square. So here we have pi's value is 22 upon 7 and r square is nothing but r multiplied by r. So here r is 14 into 14. R square, that's why I have taken it twice. So now you have to simplify it. So we'll get 44 into 14. 22 to the 44 into 14. So we'll multiply and we'll get a 616 centimeter square. Areas are in square units. Next is given the diameter 2 integer 4 by 5 meter and we have to take pi 22 upon 7. So as diameter is given, we'll get a radius as diameter divided by 2. We want a radius. So radius is nothing but diameter divided by 2. So here diameter is, if we convert into the improper, we'll get a 14 divided by 5. So 14 divided by 5 and its half we have to take. Okay, so its half is nothing but here we'll simplify 7 by 5 will get. So radius is here 7 by 5. So now we'll write down area is equal to pi r square. Pi is again 22 upon 7 and r square is 7 by 5. I will take it twice because its square is there. So now here 7 will cut and here 22 into 7 divide by here 5 into 5, that is 25. So we'll get a 154 divided by 25. If we simplify it, we'll get in integer here 25 6 are 150, 4 remain, that is 25. So 6 integer 4 by 25 centimeter, sorry, it is in meter square. But if you want in decimal, you can take 6.16 meter square. This is in improper mixed fraction and then it is in decimal. Now we have another, that radius is 10 centimeter and take pi as 3.14. So we know that area is equal to pi r square. So now pi's value is given in decimal 3.14 and radius is 10. 10 multiplied by 10 because it is r square. So if there are two zeros, we'll throw this decimal outside. So just we'll get here 314 centimeter square. Removing two zeros and the decimal point will goes out. Now question number 2 is taking pi 22 upon 7, find the radii. Radii is nothing but plural of radius of the circles whose areas are. So friends, now area is given and we have to find out radius. So here area is equal to 22 upon 7. It is a given data. We know that area's formula is pi r square, which is equal to 22 upon 7. So we know that our pi's value is also 22 upon 7. R square is equal to 22 upon 7. On a right hand side and a left hand side, 22 upon 7 cancel. So we get r square is equal to 1. That's why r is equal to 1 centimeter. Here r square is 1 and 1 is square root also 1. Now we are having area here as 154 centimeter square. We know that it is pi r square is equal to 154. 154 is the value of this pi r square. So we'll write down pi's value is 22 upon 7 into r square. So now solve it. R square is equal to, this 7 is in division, will shift to the right hand side. It will go into 7 divided by 22. So 11 2s are and 11 1s are, 11 4s are, again 2 7s are. So we'll get 7 7s are 49. R square is 49. So friends, R is equal to root 49, which is nothing but 7 centimeter. This is the answer. 49 is a perfect square of 7. Now we are having the next question. Taking pi 3.14, find the diameter of a circle whose area is 2826 meters square. So first of all, we'll write down the area's formula is equal to pi r square, which is given that 2826. We'll first find out this r. Pi's value is given as 3.14 into r square, 2826. So r square is equal to 2826 divided by 3.14. And if you simplify it, simply I'll remove these two zeros, this decimal, and I'll give in the numerator 100. So if we cut it, it is 1 za and it is going to be 9 za. So friends, we will get 900. And r square is 900. So r is equal to square root of this 900. We'll get 30 here. Therefore, diameter is twice of radius. Twice of radius is diameter. We want to find out diameter. So twice of r is 30. We'll get a 60. It is in meter. So 60 meter is diameter. Now the next question is, the circumference of a circular bed is 88 meter. Find its area. So friends, here circumference is given. Circumference is 2 pi r, which is equal to 88 given. And we have instructed to find the area. So first we'll find radius, then we'll go for area. So 2 into pi's value is 22/7 into r, which is equal to 88. So friends, r is equal to 88. This 7 will shift here in the right hand side. It will go in multiplication, and this multiplication will here go in division. So here 1 za, 4 za, again 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So we got radius is 14. R is equal to, we got 14 meter. Now we want to find out area. So area is pi r square. 22/7. R square is 14 into 14 here. So I'll just simplify. 22 2s are 44 into 14. Just simply multiply it. You'll get 616 meters square. This is the area of the circle which we have found. Now friends, another question is, find the area of a circle which is a quadrant. So quadrant is nothing but the 1/4 part of a circle, means this one. And radius is given as 7 centimeters. So we have to find out this area. So area here is going to be pi r square divided by 4. I have taken divided by 4. Why? Because quadrant is a 1/4 part of the circle. This is a whole circle, and its 1/4 part is going to be this quadrant. So we'll keep the values 22/7 into this 1/4. I'll write down as it is. R is here 7. So 7 into 7 I have to take here. Now just simplify it. Here we'll get 2 2s and 2 1s. Friends, we get 11 into 7 divided by 2, which is 77 divided by 2. So we have taken 77 divided by 2, which is nothing but 38.5 centimeters square. So this is area of this quadrant, which is 1/4 part of the whole circle. Now the next question is, find the area of the following this shape. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So if you see, here is a one rectangle and one semicircle. This is a rectangle and this is semicircle. Semicircle is nothing but half of the circle. So we'll first find out area of semicircle, which is equal to pi r square divided by 2. Divided by 2 because it is not a full circle, it is half. Pi is 3.14 and r is, if you see carefully, this is diameter. And if we take half of this diameter, that is a 4's half is going to be 2 2. This 4, then also this also 4 are parallel sides. So here we'll take 2 multiply by 2. Okay friends, just simply we have to do the multiplication. So here 2 2 will cancel. We'll get a 6.28 and it is in centimeter square. Now we'll find area of rectangle. So this area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So L is 4 and breadth is 3. So 4 into 3, which is nothing but 12 centimeters square. So finally total area is addition of both the areas, that is 12 plus 6.28. So 12 plus 6.8 will get 18.28 centimeters square. Area of a semicircle plus area of a rectangle is 18.28. Now we have find the area of this shaded portion. Shaded portion is this one. If you see, it is one rectangle and inside one semicircle. So if we remove semicircle from this rectangle area, we'll get shaded portion. So first area of rectangle we'll find out, that is L into B. So length is 14 and breadth is 10. 14 into 10, simply we'll get 140 centimeters square. Again, area of a semicircle. This semicircle we have to find, which is pi r square by 2. By 2 because it is not a full circle. Pi is 3.14. So here pi's value is 3.14. And now what about radius? So if you see, this diameter is 14. So its radius is going to be 7. So 7 into 7 divided by 2. So if you do all this calculation, you will get a 76.93 centimeters square. Now friends, area of a shaded portion. Just we have to do the subtraction of this rectangle's area, subtraction of this semicircle from the rectangle. So 140 minus 76.96. So if we do, we'll get a 63.07 centimeter square. So just you can write a 63 centimeter square if you want to write up to 1 decimal place. Now we are having these two circles and we have to find out this shaded region. So outer circle minus inner circle, if we do, we'll get this area of this shaded portion. So we'll find out area of outer circle first, which is equal to pi r square. Pi is 3.14, and if you see, outer circle is here nothing but 10. Okay, so this 10 half will do, we'll get a 5. So 5 into 5 will do. And that area of inner circle is nothing but again pi r square. So 3.14 into inner circle is total 8 diameter. If we do half of diameter, we'll get a 4 into 4. So shaded portion area we want to find out. So shaded portion area is equal to, we have to subtract them. So here subtraction 3.14 is common, and in bracket we'll write 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16. So just 3.14 into 9. So we'll get 28.26 centimeters square. If you see carefully, these are concentric circles. So outer circle area minus inner circle area, and pi is common, and r square, this one will give 1, this will give 2. Now we'll see the next question is, covers for cans are stamped out of a sheets of a metals. How many square centimeter of waste materials is there when the covers are cut from 5 centimeter wide square? So it is given that one square is there which is 5 centimeter each, and we are going to cut a cover for the cans which is this one circle like this. So we have to find out how much the waste is there. This one means we have to find out this area. So what we'll do, we have to find out first area of the square here. So area of the square is side square. So here side is 5 square, so we'll get a 25 centimeter square. Now area of the circle we'll take. The circle which is inside one can's cover of can, pi r square. Pi will take 3.14. And if you see, this total diameter is 5, its half is going to be 2.5 into 2.5. This one 2.5 will get here. So after calculation you will get here 19.625 centimeters square. And the waste area we have to find out. The waste material is when the cover cut. So your shaded region will get 25 minus this outer circle minus this outer square minus this inner circle. 25 minus 19.625. So we'll get a 5.375 centimeter square. So now moving to the next question. A sheet of metal has dimension 56 by 33 centimeter and it has melted down and it recast into disc of the same thickness and a radius 7 centimeter. So how many discs will be there? So we'll find out number of discs required, number of discs are there is equal to area of this rectangle divided by this area of the square, area of the circle. So area of a rectangle here is L into B and it's pi r square. So your length into breadth is 56 into 33 divided by this area we have to write down. So which is going to be 22 upon 7 into r square. R is 7 into 7. So friends, here 7 will cut. Here 7 1s are 7 8s are. So 8 into 33 divided by 22. So 11 2s are 11 3s are and 2 4s are 8. So 4 into 3 will get a 12. So 12 discs can be cast out of this metal rectangular sheet. The next question is the area of a two equal circles are in the figure. It is given that 308 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of this rectangle. So one rectangle is there, inside that two equal circles are there. So area of a circle is pi r square and we know that here are the two circles, that's why 2 pi r square. I'll take two circles, okay, which is 308. So first of all I'll get this area. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square is equal to 308. So r square is equal to 308 multiply by this 7 into 2 into 22. So here after solving this all we'll get r square is equal to 49. So r is nothing but 7 centimeter. So friends, this is the diameter and this is going to be the length here. And if you see, this is 7 plus 7. Okay friends, this is 7, this is 7, 7 and 7. And if you see, this is breadth is also going to be twice of r. This is going to be 14. So if we see, length is equal to 4 times of r, which is nothing but 4 into 7, so we'll get a 28 centimeter. And if you get a breadth of this rectangle, we'll get a twice of r, which is 2 into 7. We get a 14 centimeters. So once I got these dimensions, I'll write down perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So twice 28 plus 14. So friends, we'll get 22 into 42, which is 84 centimeters. So this is going to be the perimeter. First I was not having this dimension, I found radius and then we have calculated dimensions, then perimeter formula. The next question is ARB represent. This is ARB represent a semicircular plate where this AB is 14 centimeter. A semicircle ASO, this is a semicircle, again is cut away and O is a midpoint here. So what is the area of this shaded portion? So friends, if you see, first of all we have to find out area of this ARB. This is a semicircular plate. So it is semicircular. So as it is semicircular, we'll take a pi r square by 2. Okay. So pi's value will take 22 upon 7 into this 1 by 2. So if you see this semicircular plate, here the radius is 7 because this hole is diameter 14, so its half is 7. So 7 into 7. So just we'll get 11 into 7, which is nothing but 77 centimeters square. So this we got area of this semicircular plate. Now we'll get an area of small portion of this ASO. which is again a semicircle. So pi's value is 22 upon 7 and this 1 by 2 is will take like this. Now if you see this circle having a 7 as a diameter, so it's 7 by 2 will be its radius. Diameter will be there, then radius is going to be its half. So if we calculate this all, 7 and 7, 2 ones and 2 11s, so 11 into 7 divided by 4, so we'll get here 19.25 centimeter square. So friends, area of remaining portion will be the subtraction of this 77 minus 19.25, which is going to be 57.75 centimeter square. Area of this ARB minus area of this ASO.